In this video, I'll explain to you why time is more important than money and why most people never realize this until it's too late. Because money can be earned back, but time never comes back. Let's stop talking about ideas. Let's look at real numbers. Two people. Person A starts at $20, $100 per month. Person B starts at $30, $300 per month. Same return, 8% per year after 40 years. Person A, about $300,000. Person B, about $270,000. Person B invested over double the money and still lost. That's the cost of waiting 10 years. Here's the real kicker. What if person A was investing $300 per month and starts at 20 years old? That's a lot of money, and that could be you. This is exactly what happens in real life. Most people in their 20s say, I'm too broke to invest, so they wait. Then in their 30s, they finally have money, but now they're behind, and compounding doesn't forgive lost time. Look at Warren Buffett. He didn't become a billionaire overnight. Most of his wealth came after age 50, not because he suddenly worked harder, but because he started investing early and let time do the work. Here's what compounding actually looks like. Year 1 to 10, slow growth. Year 10 to 20, steady growth. Year 20 to 30, explosive growth. And this is where most people quit. A study shows that many investors underperform, not because they pick bad investments, but because they enter late and exit early. Let's make this simple. If you invest just $5 a day, that's about $150 a month. Over 30 years, at 8% return, that turns into over $200,000 plus. That's from small, consistent actions. But if you wait 10 years to start, you lose tens of thousands just from delay alone. So this isn't about how much you make. It's about when you start. Because in the end, the people who win aren't the ones with more money. They're the ones who gave their money more time. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.